happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 7 of my 12 days of Swatchmas series. This is my second annual 12 days of Swatchmas, and in this series I do swatch a majority of the gel polishes, acrylics, etc. that I have in my collection, and I hope that you all are enjoying the series so far. Today I'm going to be swatching a gel polish kit that I got from Amazon. It's an affordable gel polish kit. Stay tuned to day 7 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. Alrighty, so this here is the gel polish kit that I got from Amazon a little while back. I believe I paid like $7 for this gel polish kit, and it's from the nail brand Yuesuo. And I think it's really pretty. I like the packaging. It's given like old school Beatles packaging, but it has like flowers and different like nail art, abstract nail art designs on it. The gel polishes, it looks like they are 8 ml bottles, and it comes with 6 different pieces. On the back, it tells you, how to properly apply the gel polishes, and gives good direction here. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Ooh, okay. Okay, I remember why I got this set now. I got this set because I felt like it was a good basic set for primary colors, or colors that you would use often with doing nails. So you got your black, your white, your red, blue, and green. Only thing it's missing is like yellow and orange. It's another blue here. It's a muted blue. I don't think this is a common color that most people would use, but this is a good like standard everyday color set. So that was the reason that I got this. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, so these are the 6 colors that's included in this set. I like the sticker at the top is super cute. So we got 1, 2. Oh, these numbers are way off. 5. Okay, all right, these numbers are numbered very weird, but yeah, I like the fact that the bottles definitely match the color that's on the inside, so really easy to tell what color you're choosing. But yeah, let's take a closer look at each one. So the first color we have here is 001, and this looks like it is just a standard black color. Ooh, yeah, it's a standard black, but it's a deep black, y'all. Wow. It is a medium viscosity, not too runny, not too thick. Like the formula. So far so good. I like the packaging as well. Again, it's 8 ml. So that's 001. 002. Ooh, this here is a really beautiful creamy white color. Very nice. It's like a good standard white. 005. Ooh, okay, this here is a really nice sharp red color. Looks like a cherry red color. Very, very pretty. 065. Very nice. This color here is more so of like a muted blue color. Very pretty. 069. Ooh, that's a really pretty royal blue color. Absolutely love that. Like I said, it really does match the color of the bottle exactly. I like that a lot. And then last but not least, we have 74. And that's a really beautiful, just standard green color. All right, y'all. Let's get the swatching. 001. Okay. So it's not a fully pigmented black. Which, I mean, honestly, most gel polishes these days aren't. But it is pretty opaque for just like a standard black color. I think if you wanted to, you can get away with 1 coat, but I'll definitely go in with 2. 002. Oh, wow. That's a really nice white. I like that it's not too stark of a white. It's like a soft white color. It's very, very pretty. And pretty opaque, if I say so myself. It's not streaky or anything like that. That's a pretty nice white. I like it. 005. Okay. So this is more of like a translucent red color. Not quite as opaque as I was expecting it to be. But I'm sure with 2 coats it'll be just fine. That's a nice red. 065. So again, this here is that muted blue color. I think it's opaque enough. Yeah, you get pretty good coverage with just one coat on this one. It's not as sheer as that red was. 069. Yeah, so this blue is kind of more on the sheer side like the red was. Not as opaque, but I know with 2 coats, I'm sure it'll look just fine. Very pretty. 7-4. It's a pretty good green. Yeah, I definitely think these colors are going to look really, really nice and opaque with 2 coats. 1 coat isn't too bad, but definitely need to go in with 2. So I'm gonna do 2 coats off camera and I'll be back with a top coat. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swatched out. They are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, they're really good, like basic primary colors, like everyday colors that everybody should have in their collection. So I think this is a really nice one to grab, especially if you're in need of some of the basic primary colors. So let's take a closer look at each one. This here is 001, and this is the black that's in the collection. Like I said, with those 2 coats of coverage, it definitely came out very opaque. So with this collection, I feel like at first swatch, or the first swatch, or the first coat of polish, it doesn't come out very opaque, but definitely once you get those 2 coats in, it's a really nice, great opaque black. Same is true for this white. It's an absolutely beautiful white. I love that it's not like a super stark white, and that it's like a softer, kind of creamier white. I've had other whites, like for instance, the white from Madame Glam. That white is very, very stark. It even has like a blue undertone to it, and I tried to do a set of white nails with it, and it just didn't look right. It just was too white. And I feel like this is a nice, like softer white that I might be able to get away with wearing an all white set. So I do like this white a lot. 005, which is a really beautiful kind of candy apple red color. I do feel like this one is still just a bit sheer, so you might actually have to go in with 3 coats of coverage of this. It's not the best opaque red, but it is a really beautiful red nonetheless. Next we have 065, which is this really beautiful muted blue color. I think it's a really nice blue. It is opaque with 2 coats of coverage, and yeah, it's really, really beautiful. Although I do wish they had either a yellow or an orange in this collection, as opposed to this muted blue, because I feel like that would have actually completed the collection a little bit better, but it's still a nice blue nonetheless. 069, which is this absolutely gorgeous royal blue color. It is nice and opaque, and it's just a really nice, a good standard blue color to have in your collection. Last but not least is 74, which is a really nice green. Not much to say about it. It's a really nice standard green that you can use for a lot of different looks. I think it's really pretty, be really cute for some army nails. So yeah, I definitely like all the colors that's included in this collection. Like I said, it's a really good standard everyday collection. Like all of these colors you will definitely get use out of if you have them in your collection. Everybody needs a good black, everybody needs a good white, a good red, a good green, a good blue. Like I said, I do feel like this collection would be a little bit more complete had they had either this color be a yellow or an orange. I felt like that would have been a really good complete set. But I also really love that the bottles directly showcase the color that's inside of the bottle. As you all can see, this is like spot on the exact color that's inside the bottle. Same with this blue. Like it looks exactly the same as the color that's in the bottle. Same with the red. I mean, I think they really captured that color perfectly. And the same with the white, and obviously with the black. So yeah, y'all, I think they did a really good job making sure that the colors inside the bottle match the color outside the bottle for sure. I think they did a really good job matching the color with what's inside the bottle on the outside of the bottle. So when you're looking on your nail rack trying to pick out colors that you need, I like the fact that these, they showcase the color on the outside, and it's a spot on dupe for what's on the inside. So yeah, I really like this collection. If it's still available, I'll go ahead and link it down below, and if not, I'll link a similar collection. I know that Amazon sometimes like they'll run out of sometimes the products on Amazon do sell out pretty quick, especially if it's a good deal. Like I said, I think I paid under $6 or $7 for it. I can't quite remember. It's been a while since I've gotten this collection, but it's a really nice collection nonetheless. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my 12 days of Swatchmas. This is day 7. Come back tomorrow for day 8 for my 12 days of Swatchmas. Tomorrow I'm going to be swatching out some gel polishes that I got in from Model 1s, and again, that's another affordable brand from Amazon. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be testing out some of their builder gels, a cute little gel polish set, then also their black and white. So if you all want to see that, come back tomorrow and I'll showcase it, and I'll showcase that. And then let me know in general, how are you all liking the 12 days of Swatchmas series? Is this something that you all want to see every year, or would you all prefer to see something different? I'm open to feedback, so let me know what you guys are thinking, and if you prefer to see something else next year around Christmas time. I'm open to ideas. But yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.